Okay, for the chile japonés, that's what I call it. You can call it salsa de chile de árbol. People call it different things. Okay, we're gonna need tomatillo tomatoes, green tomatoes, 2 of the Roma tomatoes, a half of an onion, and I have it in quarters. I have 2 chile serranos. You can use jalapenos. And then I have the chile de árbol, okay? Now, you can make it as spicy as you like it. I don't like it too spicy. I like heat, but not to where it's gonna burn your tongue off. And then 2 garlic cloves, and then a half of a teaspoon of salt. And then we're gonna cover this with water. They don't have to be completely submerged. And then we're gonna put this on the stove, bring it up to a boil, and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll be back at that point. Okay, here I put it on the stove. I'm gonna bring that up to a boil and put it on a medium heat and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, here it's been about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna turn it off now and let it cool. Okay, this is what the salsa looks like after it's been boiling for about 15 minutes. I'm going to strain it, and I'm going to reserve just a little bit of the water, just about a half of a cup, and we're going to put this in the blender. Vegetables into the blender. Just be careful with this because they're still hot. You may want to wait a while to cool them down. And I'm gonna put a half of a teaspoon of salt in there. Okay, we're gonna blend it. We're gonna pulse it. Okay, and that's gonna be it. Then I'm just going to pour it into this bowl. And this is what it looks like. Okay guys, that's going to do it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you give the salsa a try. If you do and like it, give us a thumbs up and come back and let us know how it worked out for you. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. See y'all later. Bye.